Okay. Uh, I've had people ask me, how do you monetize? Now I've got a video. I'm showing the video here. It's step-by-step guide to monetizing. But this is not what they're talking about. They're talking about how do you get the watches? How do you get to the point to where you can monetize? Then this video will show you how to do it step by step. But people want to know, how do you get to that point? Okay? And everybody's got their own story. There's a lot of videos on how to do it. Everybody's got their own story. So I can tell you what worked for me. Okay. Okay. Yes, but how do you get the watch hours and views? Okay, that's the biggest question. All right. First off, let me say it takes patience and persistence. You have to have patience and be willing to commit to making videos. Okay? I would suggest at minimum one video a week. Okay? And be consistent. Okay? Don't wait 2 or 3 weeks and then upload 2 or 3 videos. Do one a week, every week. Minimum now. It'd be better if you could do 2. Okay? Now what's going to happen? Okay, well, let me first say, the first stage you want to get to is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Okay? And once you get to that, all right, okay, that's not monetized. Okay, that puts you to the first step. Okay, which in that video the video I said step-by-step guide to monetizing. Okay, I described I tell all about that. For me, it wasn't for me. Okay, you can get people to subscribe to your channel and pay you so much a month, and for subscribing to your channel, you can give them perks and give them badges, and you can do different things. It's a lot of work to do that. Okay, but let me say this: you're working towards getting the subscribers and the watch hours. Okay. Now, you can put products. Okay, you can sell affiliate products. Okay, and digital products before you monetize and make money. So you can do that before you're actually making money on YouTube with the monetization. Okay. You'll probably make more money doing that. Okay, which I'm not doing yet, which is going to be another video when I do it. Okay. So anyway, the first stage, 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours. Now what that did for me, okay, it got me on, let me close this thing out. Okay, it got me to get my Google account up to date, okay, and AdSense. The AdSense was then up to date, okay. So when I got ready to monetize, when I went to the next step, okay, and I got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is, like I said, this is all explained in the step-by-step guide to monetizing. When I got to that point, okay, it was a quick, less than a day, I was able to do it. Okay, like I said in that video, and the reason is I already had everything done, so it made it easy. Okay, so that's what I'm talking. The next step, like I said, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's what it takes to monetize. Okay, and that's approved watch hours. You can have 4,200 watch hours, but they have to be approved. So they do approve them, and it takes a little while, and that's all in this step-by-step guide to monetize. Okay. The main thing is don't give up, is what I tell people. Okay? Keep posting videos. Alright? Just keep posting them. Alright? Some people think you have to have 100 videos. Okay, not so. Alright? If you get one video that goes viral, or takes off, I should say, it'll put you over the edge and you'll start getting subscribers, and you just won't believe how fast you'll get subscribers and how fast the watch hours will go up. Okay? But just keep putting those videos in there, okay? You're waiting for one to go viral, so be patient. You just keep doing it, and it's gonna happen. Remember, the more you upload, the better your chances. So just put your nose to the grindstone and don't worry about monetizing. Just keep doing a video a week, a video a week, a video a week, minimum now. Okay, I did a couple videos a week for quite a while. All right, and now that I'm monetized, I'm still doing a video a week. Okay. Like I said, eventually one of them is going to take off. Okay. The algorithms on YouTube. I wish I knew how they work. I wish I could turn the button and turn them on. But they'll see you posting one a week. Now it's a computer that's going to see you, but it's YouTube's computer. So YouTube is going to know that you're steady. All right. That you are out there putting the videos. Okay. That could take 50 videos. All right. It might not. Probably it won't, but it could. So be prepared to be consistent and just keep putting those videos out there, keep putting those videos out there, and don't give up. Okay? You need to get monetized, like I told you before, what you need. It's a step-by-step. My process is one right here on how you do get monetized. Let's see what. Okay, remember, if this was easy, everybody would be monetized, making money on YouTube. Every creator on YouTube. Now, the fact is, 25% of the creators on YouTube are making money, and you want to get in that 25%. And the way to do that is keep putting videos. There's no way you can tell when a video is going to go viral. You just can't. And the silliest video you put on there, the one you think is not going to go viral, could go viral. Okay? I put videos that I would put them on and say, man, I know this one's going viral. This one's got to go viral. This is a lot of information. This is going to go viral. And I did good. I might get 500 views, but nothing like one that takes off and gets you 10,000 views. Okay? So, like I said, you can sell affiliate marketing if you like, before and after. And like I said, everybody has their own story, and this is how I do it. And the only thing I can say is, if you would watch this. This is on my channel, Step-by-Step Guide to Monetize. Watch that, and hopefully I'll give you some encouragement. And most people fail. That's why there's only 25%. Is they give up, or they say it's not worth it. Okay, but remember, once you monetize, okay, once you're in there and once you monetize, another little thing I want to tell you: make your videos 8 minutes long. All right. Or more. An 8-minute video will allow the ads to be in the middle of the video. Okay? It'll make you more money. Okay? 10, 12, 15-minute videos are good. The longer the video, the better, if you can keep people's interest in it. Okay? That'll help you. That'll get you, you'll make more money once you monetize. Now, all the videos you make beforehand, okay, you don't get paid for, even after you monetize. Okay, you won't make any money on them until you monetize. But I've always felt like I was wasting my videos. I'm wasting my videos. Okay, I'm wasting my videos. So I held back a bunch of videos that I could have put up. I held them back because I said I'm gonna wait until I'm monetized to put these videos. Okay. I make videos constantly. I got a lot of videos, and like I said, I do one a week, a minimum one a week. And I was afraid, but you're investing those videos into monetizing. And if you don't, you're not gonna monetize. You're not gonna make any money. So don't be afraid to put those what you think are the good videos out there. You actually want to do that to draw the people in. Now, the people that come in, your subscribers to your channel, they're going to make you. Okay, so so your subscribers are the main thing. Let me show you how. This is a new channel. I hadn't started this. Well, it's actually an older channel. I started quite a while back, but I just started putting videos on it. Okay, so let's see let me close this out. Okay, we'll go to manage videos. Okay, and on the left over here, let's see. I'm gonna analytics. I'm gonna analyze the channel. This analyzes the whole channel. Now you can analyze just one video if you want. Now see right here, this is the last 28 days. Now YouTube will go 365 days, okay, for monetizing. Okay, 365 days. All right. And as you can see, okay, I got 6.6, I think, quit clicking, 6.6 watch hours is what I have. And you need 4,000. That's 6.6 thousand. So that's 6,600 watch hours. And this is estimated money that's going to be coming in next month. Now I've already received my first check. I already got my first check, so we're good to go. And right here we had 14. This is subscribers. 1,401 subscribers. And I thank my subscribers. If you're one of my subscribers, I really thank you. You have made my channel, made me a few dollars. Okay. Now right now it's slow. See right here? This is the views within the last 48 hours. Okay, and that's not much. I've gone 5, 6, 7, 8,000 right here. Okay, I've been as high as 11,000. But this is making money. Don't think it's not making money. It's making a little money. Okay, I'm making money right now. Okay, so hang in there, and then once you monetize, you sit back and make one video a week. And you'll get a couple, maybe $100 or $200 a month coming in and going into your checking account. So you can't beat that. So I hope this helps you, gives you an encouragement to plug it, stay in there and plug away, keep going. You can do it. You can make it. And if you're persistent and if you keep going, you will make it. There's no doubt in my mind. If I can make it, you can make it. I'm doing my little videos. Do your little videos, and good luck. How we do it here. Okay, how we get watch hours and views on our YouTube channel so we can make a couple bucks. Thanks for watching.